Hi Anna. I am going to show you how to sign in to look at our instructor resources and all of our student online resources in MindTap. So you'll go to your login page, use your email and the password welcome to. The welcome is a capital W. You'll click sign in and that'll take you to your instructor resource site. All right, you can add any of our books up here. I added our Miller book, and here would be where you can get to our practice for MindTap. So you click on this. This will take you to MindTap, which is really just a online resource with our ebook and all of our resources set up in what we call a learning path. So over here is the learning path. I'm just going to give you a quick look at things. This is essentially your chapters in the book. You click on any one of these and all of these will be pretty much the same for each one. Mastery training, I'll show you another video on it, but that's a way of students learning the basic facts and terms of it. It'll always start out with a case study and then some questions about the case study. Then it breaks the chapter into the parts because students tend to like things in smaller chunks. So within each part they have an ebook. And if you click on the ebook, it has all the standard features of an ebook, but a few things that are very nice also. And what those are is, one, it'll let you highlight things, the student, which isn't too unusual, but it will also let you, the instructor, highlight things. And if you have the orange button, that highlight goes to all the students. The same thing happens with notes. You can highlight things and add a note. And students can save that and it'll all go to this study hub, but you can also click share and that goes to all the students if you, the instructor, does it. And here's your note. Another nice feature up here, they can click on this and it'll be read to the students. We have a MindTap app for phones, so they could have this on their phone and have the book read to them. So that's a quick look at the ebook. Then we're going to have some conceptual activities, and these are going to be things to get students into the reading a little bit more. This one has 5 parts, and the way this works, you'll see that the answers here usually involve some reading, sometimes a picture, and then they select their answers. All right, after the student has gone through all those, then they can get it graded immediately and it will show them how they did. Now, when they do this, they can see, oh, I got those wrong. Hey, let's look at the explanation, and also gives a very detailed explanation for each of those. Okay. Then, after they've done this, they can try another version. There are 3 different versions, so they're very similar problems, but they're not identical. And so the goal is students eventually, hopefully, will get a perfect grade, but will have learned some of that concepts on things. So every section will have that. All right. Doesn't matter what section you go to. Additional engagement activities. Pre-learning is just a test that they can take ahead of time to kind of get them excited about the chapter. Animations and videos. Within the ebook, there are a bunch of animations and videos where appropriate. All right, this just gives you an example of the ones just in chapter 3. So students can go and just view those should they wish, or you could use them in class. All right, and then there is a think like an environmental scientist. So those kind of problems will be also set up for students. It is also set up so you can customize this very easily. You can add things, you can hide things. Just to show you how easy it is to add, you click here and click the activity. These are the kinds of things you can add very easily. So it takes, if you had a certain video that you wanted them to see, you could add it in 15 seconds. it's that easy to do. So that is an extremely quick look at how to maneuver in MindTap. There are many other things over here that you could make use of, but this is the basic for things. I'd be happy to go over this in more detail with you. Just let me know what you think and what questions you might have. Thank you and have a great day.